What's up, you guys? Carolina Shore Fishing here, and today I'm at Springmaid Pier in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Gonna be doing a little bit of drum fishing and some Spanish mackerel fishing. So hopefully we can get onto some good fish today, and you guys will have a good video. So sit back and enjoy.
Here's small fishing.
Oh, that's a good hit. I hope that's got all the head shakes we like to see, right? None of mine were doing that. Some head shakes. You got me. Man, that didn't take you too long. Okay. Bring it up. That one getting one too? Oh, it might. Oh man, Jack Cohen. Off the beer and running.
Uh-oh. There we go. Just stay on this side. See if we can keep them on here. Give her up right there.
nice fish. Yeah. Might be bigger than the last one. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Another one.
It's in the honey hole.
It's happening at Springmaid Pier.
It is happening.
That is the absolute
Thank
definition
you.
of a honey hole.
Oh,
right
yeah.
There. There's one bench. This one bench has gotten like 10 fish. Straight out. Oh, you're under that one. You're good.
I wanted to get one on this rod, finally.
You got one?
Yeah.
What pound mono you got?
30. And then a 80-pound, or there's a 50-pound chuck, and then the 80-pound is what the hook's on.
Sweet. You can bring it straight in right there.
Oh, yeah.
Red,
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
just keep bringing him straight.
Just don't let that mono hit that leg. Where did that go, man? There it is. I can't quite reach it to get it to you. Not quite. There he is.
Yeah, I was just, I thought it just smacked you. Oh, she's going again.
He rolled right up.
He rolled right out the middle.
I got it. Got it.
In the net.
Fish in the net.
Another one bites the dust.
I'm gonna try and help some of that weight.
Oh, he's a big.
He's slipping through my hand.
Oh, yeah, that's what was happening with me.
I ain't be able to wipe my butt in the morning.
Yeah, I know what exercises I'm doing next week.
There we go.
Beautiful, thank you guys.
Let's, you got him right there.
I gotcha.
Let's get all of it. 38 and a half.
38 and a half.
Very
38 and a half.
nice. Very nice.
Beautiful. Yeah. Okay, he's in the net. There you go. Beautiful. That's a good fish. Oh, she's right there. Oh, man. I think you got your 40. Okay. Try.
I think I got it here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, start hitting the gym for drum season.
Yeah, baby.
Oh yeah. Look at that pig.